Hi guys, so I just wanted to come on today and show you a few clips of us making my son's very own chocolate bar. So we have been doing for almost 3 weeks now the Wonka Way, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory novel study. This is his 3rd week, so I print them in weeks and they're 5-day weeks, but we do them over 4 days. So one day we do 2 activities. So he has his copy work and vocabulary. We usually do these 2 together on one day, and then this he did today. He designed it. We printed this off so he could show like the layers and the flavors, and it says a whirl of choco, caramel, orange and squish. That's his little tagline, his little slogan. And then once you've read the chapters for that week, you fill out this little comprehension. So he did that, and then tomorrow or Friday I'm away, but with his dad he will finish this. He loves doing this. He does a picture, he names the group of chapters a name if it was booked by itself, and just sort of like some brief questions. But when we did this yesterday, it like really sparked something in him. He was so excited about it that I decided to quickly order on Amazon some chocolate molds. These were way bigger than I was expecting, but anyway, chocolate bar silicone molds. They were $5.99 for 3. And then today we popped to the shops and got all the ingredients he needed for his chocolate bar. So we got some chocolate, caramel spread. We made some orange cream, and then then marshmallow fluff in the middle. And I'll put in some videos of us making it and him tasting it. But it was such an easy, we basically, after each layer, we put it in the freezer for like literally 10 minutes. And then finally another 20 minutes with the whole bar. It came out perfect. I let him do a little label for it. I wrapped it in tinfoil, did a little label. It was very simple. You could do it a lot neater and proper than I did, but this was totally last minute, and it was such a fun activity. So I definitely recommend doing something like this. My 6-year-old helped, and I think he'd love to do his own one, and my 12-year-old is also doing the novel study, but she's a bit behind because she wasn't feeling very well, so she's had a few days off. So it's likely that in the next 2 weeks the other 2 will also make their own one. And my 8-year-old, he's such a sweet boy, he said, oh, we should make them for Granny and Grandpa and everyone for Christmas. So they're going to probably get their own chocolate bars handmade for Christmas. So yeah, that's just what I wanted to come on and say. So enjoy the videos of us making them. So today we are making your chocolate bar that you've designed into real life. So what is it called?
The Choco Fuzzer.
And what does it have in?
Wrapper.
And what does it have in? It has milk chocolate.
Yes.
Which we're going to melt.
And this is marshmallow cream. Marshmallow cream. It tastes really good. No,
and then
you're going to eat all of it.
We've got this. You wanted caramel, and you wanted it to kind of be like a club bar. So it's caramelised biscuit. And then Mummy's made some orange flavoured cream. So
and then we have a lot of chocolate.
We're going to melt that and put a layer in, and then put it in the freezer, aren't we?
Yeah.
You're just spreading out your chocolate all along the bottom. That's it. If we put it next.
It's so tasty. So it looks so good. So the caramel is really good.
Yeah.
Try some.
Mummy will try some in a minute. That's it. And you want the edges as well, don't we?
Oh yeah, definitely the edges. If the edges weren't good, then I don't know how good.
And then we're going to put it in the freezer so we can put our filling in. You're getting me a spoon? Oh, thank you. No, not of that, darling, because we need it all.
I'll have just a...
No, at the end. At the end, if there's some left, you can have some chocolate, okay?
Can I look at that spoon?
At the end, yeah, once he's finished using it, okay?
That spoon can have a lot of chocolate. Oh, it's so tempting to look at.
That's looking great, bud. Now, what's next? The caramel filling. So, you're going to want to spoon it on and gently, so we don't crack the You want to do probably a big spoon, don't you? And then
Yeah, giant.
maybe scrape it off with the knife.
Oh yeah. Maybe I could spread it like butter.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure caramel is the same as butter.
Yeah, it's basically butter though, isn't it?
But it just tastes different.
Yeah, it's butter, but it tastes different, and it's different. It's basically the same feeling as butter.
Now it's spread.
Probably going to want quite a lot more of that. Shall I start putting some more spoons in?
Small.
Yeah?
Yummy.
Yummy.
I don't know if I touched the knife and cut myself.
You're okay. It's just a butter knife, but is it big?
Giant. We need to use up more of the caramel if we can.
Right, that's it. Scrape it. Maybe down this end, please.
Oh my god, just at this.
That's okay.
Oh, that should be fine.
That's good.
We haven't done this bit that much.
I reckon this will help.
You reckon that will help?
This big lump. Man, it's
Put in now.
marshmallows,
Caramel.
and
Orange
The
cream.
orange cream.
Does it taste nice now?
so good. I want this bit.
You're going to eat it, are you? And do you know what? I was thinking, you know, we've made peppermint ones for your teachers before, where it's like this and we put chocolate on it.
Yeah.
We could make orange flavoured truffles for Christmas for our family.
Yeah.
Would you like to do that?
Or maybe we could make another.
Right, we ready to put it back in the freezer? Oh, a chocolate bar for everyone.
Yeah.
With things that our family like. That's a lovely idea. That's all right. You can do it.
There's still a little bit there.
That's
Done.
it.
The chocolate bar's done. Now I'm gonna have to do here.
There we go.
How is it looking? What I think you should do is tip it upside down.
Yeah.
Yeah, carefully because you don't want it to crack.
Yeah.
Very careful, careful, careful. Does it feel frozen?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Careful, 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 careful. Don't want it to crack. Oh my goodness. Careful. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Does it look cool?
Yeah.
Do you want to try and
Let's
wrap it
check the
up?
bottom.
Yeah?
What is this?
Look. Don't touch it too much because it's going to melt, okay? But Mummy's going to try and wrap it with some tin foil so it looks like a proper chocolate bar. Okay?
It's a bit lumpy.
It's meant to have those lines in, isn't it?
No, it's a bit lump.
A little bit on the edge, but it looks so cool, doesn't it? Are you happy? Are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you might have to...
Which way should
You could rip...
Ah.
Tell Daddy what's in it.
Marshmallow. I'm telling him. Marshmallow cream, caramel, and orange thingamajiggy, and then plain chocolate.
Okay, do you want to snap it in half? What are you going to do?
Okay, can you cut it?
You want to cut it?
Yeah, like there.
I'll get a knife to chop it.
Like just
One of the sections are. Whoa. Pick it up so we can see the inside. Whoa.
Maybe inside. Oh, okay.
Right.
I'd eat all of that, I'd eat half of that.
Yeah. Marshmallow fluff has egg white in
I'm
it.
gonna taste it.
What's it like? Good or bad? A bit melty still. Is that from the marshmallow?